Here's a 2019 GMC Yukon XL. The best ability for your next vehicle is capability, and this Yukon XL has even more of it. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.